Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a master bedroom speed clean with me, as well as the master bath and my little makeup glam room. So let's jump right into it. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just open up all the curtains and the blinds. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I feel like I can't work or clean or do anything without a bunch of natural light. I love having the blinds and the windows open. It just helps motivate me. And so that's what I'm doing first, is just getting everything opened up and taking the sheets off of the bed so I can wash them and put a new set on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these sheets in the wash. Are there any other Shop Club fans out there? This is the best fabric softener I've ever used. It smells so good and it's non-toxic, so it's amazing. I'm loving everything from the Shop Club. And I'm just gonna get these started and keep on rolling with it. Another shop club favorite is these glass cleaning wipes. Again, I love these just for a quick everyday clean where you don't have to get out the Windex and a rag and all of that jazz. These do the trick and work really, really well. Moving on to the master bathroom, I am just again doing just a quick overview clean, nothing deep or too detailed, but just a basic wipe down. I'm using my Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner and some glass cleaning wipes, and I'm just gonna wipe down everything, do the toilet, do the mirror, just the basics really. Also, just a little disclaimer, I don't know why I feel like I need to say this, but just ignore my appearance during this video. I did not even attempt to get myself ready or together for the sake of filming because, let's be real, I'm a mom, I didn't have time. Who gets ready and does their hair and makeup and gets dressed nicely to clean their house? Not me. So this is me being 100% relatable and realistic with my cleaning. So just wanted to throw that out there. now I'm moving into my little makeup glam room. This is where I get ready and do my makeup and film makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, all of that good stuff. This room is like a little sitting area off of our master bedroom that I turned into my glam room. So I am just gonna wipe down everything in here as well, just mostly dusting and taking everything off my vanity and wiping it down because it has been a while, and let's be real, dust collects like nobody's business. So that's basically all I'm doing in here. I'm not really doing much else, just wiping everything down. And I know I'm going to get asked this question, and I will try to link it below in the description also, but my vanity is from IKEA. It is the MALM desk with the 2 big drawers. I absolutely love it. It is super big, it's super long, so make sure that you measure before you get it for your space, but I'm obsessed with it. I love the big drawers because it holds all of my makeup that I don't keep out on the top of the vanity. So I just wanted to throw that in there. That's where that's from. And I will try to link some more things from this room because I'm sure I'll be asked. Like my ring light is from Walmart online. But I'll try to link all of those things down below. And if you guys are interested in more of an in-depth makeup room kind of tour and like overview of all of that, just let me know in the comments. I would love to do one of those type of videos as well. All right, you guys, that's basically it for this video. I just put on the fresh sheets and blankets and pillows. And like I said, this was not a deep clean at all, but just like a regular weekly speed clean for the upstairs master bath, bedroom, and glam room. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Give me a like if you enjoyed this, and please subscribe if you're new or haven't already. I am growing my channel, so I would love the support, and I will catch you guys in the next video.